Welcome back for another week of building. In the first two parts of this build, this is what we've constructed, the base with a lot of play areas. And now in this part, we're going to be building up, starting in this central location right here. Let's get right into parts bag number 7. First up, we have a minifigure. This is Batman in his Apocalypse attire. He's got some tires for shoulder pads, kind of a tattered cape, nice Batman logo on the front. To get him out of the way, I'm just going to go put him down here. Start with 4 columns. All right, these connect into our towers we put in part 1 and 2. Nice big wall panels. Alright, this big wall panel should go right here. And this should go right in there. This is, oh, it's rubber. This piece is rubber instead of hard plastic. It's flexible, probably because it's barbed wire. Oh, this is like a basketball net. Goes there. So here's a close-up of Batman's merchandising shop. There's some signs right here that say Bat Merch. Nice awning with some sticker detail, a basketball hoop, and the rest of what we built is just some side panels here. No real detail. That's the bottom part of the Statue of Liberty, this face here. A little bit of detail on this side, there's a sticker right there. So mostly an infrastructure parts bag with a little bit of detail on the front. Next up is parts bag number 8. First up in parts bag number 8 is another minifigure. This fellow's name is Fuse, which makes sense because he looks like he's a welder. I'll stick him over here near Batman. Keep him out of the way. You know, the designers probably didn't need to go through this much level of connectivity for these tower parts, but by putting these Technic pins and bolting everything together, essentially, it makes it nice and solid. You can pick it up by here. And up to there. And this pin gets pushed in. This part goes up here, like that. Again, I know I'm getting close to the top of my camera there. I've got some tools that go in the hooks here. Crowbar, wrench, looks like a torch. So a little toolbox and a propane or acetylene bottle that go right in the corner. Now this actually gets flipped upside down and will go into that grate there. There's our welding area. So there we go, the end of parts bag number 8. So again, just more infrastructure around the top. We got the start of our Statue of Liberty hand coming out here. And then a small play area, which is the welding shop. Here's the welding shop. There's some tools up here on the sidewall. We have our minifig, fuse, propane bottle, or acetylene, and a toolbox down in the corner. Very small play area. Don't know how it gets up there. As for the rest of bag number 8, some more wall panels here. Start of a little bit of detail on the side. And then it's not quite in camera, but starting of the upper portion of the arm of the Statue of Liberty. We'll get right into bag number 9. Well, there's no minifig in this bag of parts. There's actually not that many parts at all in this bag. That looks nice. Well, I just noticed something. I'm pretty sure that is pointing in the wrong direction. Yes, that is in the wrong direction. I can take off this top. Easy fix. Turn it around. Everything else was correct. I can't see my instructions are right here. This is completely blocking my view. Oh, no. So this piece is supposed to go flush to there, but this is sticking out. That's not supposed to be sticking out like that. I definitely put them in the wrong spot, but I don't understand why everything else works. I really think this just had to be moved back. That's still all flush. Am I just overthinking this? Yeah, I don't know why my brain couldn't wrap its head around that. So all I did was right here, I just moved that back one. And for some reason my brain was telling me everything would be off by 1 stud height, but nope, everything works out. So now this should go right over top of all of that and fit perfectly. That's the end of bag number 9. Really just putting this upper portion of detail right here. We are exactly halfway through the build. There's exactly 9 numbered bags of parts left to go. So parts bag number 10 is mostly just continuing on with the Statue of Liberty hand. Camera's pulled way out to be able to capture everything. Ouch! Clipped my finger. This beast somehow attaches Oh, that doesn't go onto the end of this. It goes onto here. Okay. So I have to get that through the pin first, then rotate this down into position, and then put these in. There we go. Now that's solidly attached. Put the top one on first to make sure that the other ones are in the right spot. This looks like a spotlight. Well, that was bag number 10. Just this piece right here and this spotlight detail. So nothing too exciting in that bag of parts, but definitely gives us the infrastructure for the top of the Statue of Liberty. And you can see there's still something to go on top here. So this is quite large in terms of height. Since that was so quick, we'll just get right into bag number 11. One minifig in this bag of parts. We have here Harley Quinn. Great printed detail on this minifig. It's one thing about minifigs, at least modern minifigs anyway. Usually no stickers. The decals are all printed. I will put her down here for now. This first assembly is just a section of handrail and ladder for getting into the second level here. So this pin right here is where this goes. That gives that the ability to rotate a little bit. This has to sit flush against there. Now this goes on top of this. These all go into these ball joints here. Oh, I'm just starting to figure out what this is. This is the book that the Statue of Liberty is grabbing, and these are the fingers wrapping around. That is quite clever. So there's two hooks, two receiving bricks down here. Actually looks pretty good. So that holds that very solidly in there. Well, this is for getting from this level up to this level. So here's what was built in bag number 11. The front piece to the Statue of Liberty. This tilted over book with a hand that can wrap around. The fingers actually move, which is really good. You can position them slightly different. A couple pieces across the front here. Nice detailed ladders to get up. Here's our minifig. Harley looking good. I'll put Harley up here maybe. Set's really starting to come together with these miscellaneous details. That's it for this part of the build. The next few bags are going to be some more plate areas which go on top of the plate areas below. Anyway, I hope you're enjoying this so far. I'm enjoying the build. There's still a lot left to go. Thank you so much for watching. We'll continue with the build next week.